fish on, guy. Yeah, Luis. Smile. Yeah, yep. That's a shaker. The net right here, Ed. Yeah, you can gaff. It doesn't matter.
It's big enough, yeah.
You can gaff if you want to. Easier to gaff. Yeah, easier to gaff. Finally. Yeah, we're at the ledge right there. Okay, go up here. So. Oh, okay.
Can I go around there?
Nice one. Let's see.
Yeah, it's big, dude. It's like 26, 27.
Oh, really?
At least. Sure?
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good. I was looking at that black.
Oh, come on, Ed.
Yeah,
1, 2, 3, gaff.
That's a keeper.
Perfect
Yeah.
gaff. Look at that.
Yeah, I know.
Right in the gill.
All right, Luis. Yep. Awesome. First fish of the season.
Yeah, that's not a bad one.
Yeah.
It's a good one.
Over here, Luis.
Oh,
I can take a picture easy.
Hold the gaff.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Nice.
Hold on. All right. Awesome, guy. First fish. All right, guys. 24.5. Ed just got it. Bleeded. So it's all good. All right. Time to catch another one.
And then kick it back in. Kick it back in now.
Oh, right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at that.
Fish on.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Fish
baby.
on for Tui.
Oh, this is a nice one right here.
It's,
Yeah, nice one.
it's Tui's first halibut on his
My
new
first
boat.
halibut.
Ed's gonna do the gaff.
Yeah,
If it's big enough, if it looks big enough.
lap, huh? Oh, that's a nice one right here.
I gotta watch it.
Else we got a net somewhere.
Nice one right here. It's okay. I just leave it on so people know. Come on. This is a keeper right here. Yep, the keeper. Yep, that's a keeper.
Ooh,
Definitely a keeper.
Yeah,
on the ledge, guys.
yeah, on the ledge.
Yeah, I'll show
Every time we
you
go on the ledge.
right where we are.
Let me try this. Whoa. Okay. All right.
Right here, guys, the airport, and then over here is the ledge. Fish on for Tui at the
Nice one right here.
Alameda rock wall right here.
Oh, this is a nice one.
Oh,
Oh, this is a nice one. Yeah, baby.
okay.
Oh, this is a nice one. This is a nice one here. Oh, wow. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, come on. It came off. Oh, shit.
Uh-oh.
Hold on.
Come on, one good shot.
Don't slap. Just gap. Oh, come on! You want to sabotage my fish?
Oh my god.
Oh man. That's a Korean drama.
Good fish.
Good fish.
Nice. Man, you saw it too.
Yeah.
I saw that too, but you caught it first.
Yeah, Ed called it.
Oh man.
You want me to shut up?
Yep, still there.
I'll film it.
It's okay. It's okay. No, it's okay. Oh yeah, I gaffed.
Yeah.
Let me give a drama.
Let's
Drama
I'll
gaff.
gaff it.
You gaff
yeah,
it.
you got it.
Oh, it's a good size.
Oh, this time? No, you gaff it. All right.
Whoa. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Oh, he did it.
Skin.
Oh
All by
wow.
myself.
All by yourself.
Nice.
All right.
And it's a right hand reel.
Look at that. Look at that skin guy.
Oh man, skin gaff.
Yeah.
All right.
Hold on. We are gonna listen mine out.
Okay. Man, this rod, man. All right, guys. We got two at the Oyster Point. We came here. We got two here right away. One is 27.5. One is 24. Awesome. And the last one, the Ed right here.
Finally.
Yeah, finally gaff by himself.
All by myself.
Yeah, no trauma.
Yeah.
Yeah, no
One
trauma.
gaff.
One gaff at all.
No,
Yeah.
two.
Oh, two?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Let's do it again. All right, guys. So just let you know a little about the setup if you're wondering. Okay, we only do three-way. You see three swivel here. We're about 18-inch to the ball. We're about 4 feet. We have a swivel right here. So when you throw, right, when you throw your base spinning. So you need to have a swivel here so it won't twist your line. And then I have a hoochie, and then I have a J hook, and then I have a tremble hook on the back. That's it for halibut. And you see, it's curved a little. I use a magic thread. Grab it, curve it, and when you put it on the water, it spin, it dance. That's how it's attract the halibut. All right, guys.
Make sure you get a pink hoochie.
Pink hoochie is hot today.
Yeah, we got a green one over there. Nothing.
Nothing. Yeah, all on the pink hoochie today. We are hungry now, so we're going to do a instant noodle with halibut. All right. So while Ed doing this, I'm going to set up my little stove right here. Okay. Oh, that's a nice fillet right there. That's enough. That's a nice fillet, guys. Right there. So if game warden came, we still at least have the fish. And then I have the mama instant noodle. All right, that's what we have for lunch today. Our deckhand, very good deckhand today. He fillet, nice piece. Oh my goodness, that will be nice. Look at that. Yeah. Ooh, yep.
So he's cutting these up.
Just green onion, guy.
He grew them in the garden.
No, it's in the supermarket, guy. Don't listen to Luis.
Hey, come on, Tui. Everything from Tui's house.
All right.
All right.
So we have that, and we have, guys, this is Napa cabbage. I just salted at my house, and I just took it. That's it. Okay, guys, simple. That's nice.
Yeah, man.
Man, it'll be awesome.
Look at that.
Oh, because of water in there.
There it goes.
Oh my god. Uh-oh.
Come tell me. Dinner, I mean no lunch. The mama noodle. Yeah. All right, guys. Fish on, fish in. Whoa, look at that, guys. That's a perfect noodle right there.
There we go.
There you go. Maybe 1 more minute. All right.
fish.
Oh, nice. Okay, right over there. Oh. Fish. Alright.
Alright,
Thank you. Cheers.
How is it?
Right. Let me see. So good. Alright, look at the egg here. Right. So good. This is guys, this is fishing. Alright. Let's eat. Here, hey, Ed have a fish on. Finally. Yeah, give him the gap.
Oh, I think it might be a shaker.
Let's see. No, it's not a shaker. It's a keeper. No drama. No drama. No drama.
Come on, second shot.
Come on. Oh man, that's nice. Nice. Oh, come on, Luis. Nice. Awesome, Ed. Hey, hold it. Wanna take a picture?
First keeper of the season.
Yeah, first keeper. Yeah, baby. Hey. Yeah, good job, man. Man, Luis tried to give drama, man.
Add to the video.
Oh, nice. Awesome, finally. Man. Hey, man, awesome. How many on the boat already? 3? Nice. All right, guys. It's everything dead now. Nobody catching anything. So I think we will call it a day. Very happy. 5 fish. 2 here, Oyster Point. 3 at the Alameda Rock Wall. We have great halibut noodle. That for me, that's awesome. All right, especially I'm with Luis and Ed today. So we have a great time. Little drama about Ed, how he gaffed the fish today. I think he helped me to make my video more interesting. But anyway, he's a great deckhand today, man. He cleaned up all the halibut. Let me show you. Man, he cleaned up everything nicely. Look at that, so clean. Yeah, we have 5. No, we have 4 1/4. This is the quarter right here. 5 3/4. This is for the noodle, guys. Yep. So awesome day. So I want to say thank you so much. I'm sorry that I've been out of commission for a long time. A lot of my time is working on this boat, and also I have to work very hard. I have been doing 2 jobs lately, so you know, family first. So I need to take care of my family. You know, I miss fishing. So this is kind of like my first fishing trip. I'm going to post a few video of how I, you know, working on this boat. Luis and I, and Josh and Joaquin, we are working on the boat. So I will, when I have time, I will edit the video and share with you how I work on the boat. It's still in the work in progress. Do the floor, do the bottom paint, and I think that's pretty much. And I put in the kicker, you know, and get ready for not salmon this year, but for albacore and bluefin. That's what my my plan for this year. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. You guys stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, go fishing and do whatever you love, enjoy doing in life. Life is too short, guys. Go out there, do what you love, enjoy doing. Okay. Take care of your mind, take care of your body. Okay? Don't think too much about tomorrow, man. Today, enjoy every moment. All right? Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.